Hey guys and gals, this is Paul from Nielson RV in St. George. I just kind of wanted to show you one of our featured units of the month. This is a 2018 Forest River Sonoma, and it is a 220 MBH. This is a great floor plan and has a lot of sleeping in a smaller trailer. Let's go on inside and check it out. This trailer has 3 bunks in the back, so we got quite a bit of sleeping area here. We also have a dinette that turns into a bed. And then one of the greatest features of this unit is that it has a Murphy bed, so that during the day you'll have quite a bit of area for seating and hanging out. And then at night you pull those 2 levers and this Murphy bed comes down and you have a full queen size bed. This is a 2018. It's one of our featured units of the month, and its normal MSRP is $33,346. We have it discounted down to $20,444, so it is a great buy for a really nice trailer. The service department's also thrown in a care package for the holidays, which is going to be all your hoses, power adapters, everything you need, so that when you pick this up, you're able to go and go out camping. Also, this unit is part of our Warranty Forever program, which is a warranty that lasts for as long as you own the unit. It's at no cost to the customer, and it's a great product. Please come down and see us, Nielson RV. You can ask for me. My name's Paul, or anybody can take care of you. We'd love a chance to earn your business and look forward to seeing you.